Hi everybody, it's Garret. Sorry, I don't know where to. I guess I'll have to hold this, but Randy did a video where he showed you his sound effects that he does to make videos better. They're the sound effects, but yeah, I am going to do the same ones, except I'm going to do them properly. So, yeah, I'm going to use my microphone. I'm going to put this on. I just got it's falling. Okay, I don't know where to keep it, but it's kind of high. But, okay. So, let's start off with a car. I'm not sure if it sounded as good as I usually do, because I'm wearing my headphones on. But if you want me to do what they actually sound like, I'll try if it sounded any different, because I don't really know. So, yeah. So, I'll try on the headphones again, and then I'll take them off, just in case if they sound different, because, yeah, I don't know if they'll sound different or not, but, okay. So, just need to get this straight on. Alright, so gun, I'm not really good at doing the sound effect for this one, but gotta stay still. But I'll do my best. It's not staying still. Hang on. Just give it a second. See, these things are really crooked. Oh, there you go. Try my best to do gun. Now without the headphones, just in case they sound different. Alright, punches. I do good punches. The sound effect I'm best at. So let's start off with the headphone. These things are very crooked. This part is really crooked. I think I got it. Let's start in this video so it's easier. Now this one's crooked. Stay still. Ah. It's no. Okay. Without the headphones. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. So yeah, bye.